What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about some playlist tips, so let's get right into it. So if you didn't know, you can actually hold the middle mouse button and drag your playlist around anywhere, right? This is very useful, especially if you're messing with samples or vocal chops and you're trying to cut them and get them a certain way. Instead of having to always go up here and drag this, you can just hold the middle mouse button and move it along like this. It's actually very, very helpful for workflow. And also, you can actually make the playlist bigger. There's a button right up here in the top right corner, right underneath the playlist X. If you use your middle mouse button to scroll on that or just click and drag, you can change the size of the playlist. You also got some really cool options under the drop-down menu at the top left. You go under View, you can do a bunch of different things like change the grid color, grid contrast. Put it on high, you can see that the lines are very, very dark and deep, and you can see them very well. We can actually turn the track separators off if we want to. You can also mess with different time segments inside this as well. So the segments that it shows on the playlist, if you just want it to be in beats, bars, or 4 bars, or markers, you can choose that. Under View, you have a lot more settings you can mess with as well, like resizing, a few more options, messing with the time and the track headers. So yeah, that's just a few tips about the playlist in FL Studio. Hopefully they brought you some workflow. If it brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.